So this is the lateral surface of the scapula. We can also see some prominent muscle. This muscle we can see here is the deltoideus muscle. The deltoideus muscle. And this is the supraspinatus muscle. This is the supraspinatus muscle. So after reflecting the deltoideus, you will see the infraspinatus muscle. The infraspinatus muscle. And this is the supraspinatus muscle at the supraspinous fossa, while the infraspinatus muscle is in the infraspinous fossa. Upon reflecting it, you see the teres minor muscle. The teres minor muscle. This is our infraspinous fossa. And if we are talking of the origin and insertion of this muscle, we can say that starting with the deltoideus muscle, which is found over the deltoideus muscle is divided into two parts. We have the scapular part and the acromial part. The scapular part and the acromial part. The scapular part is the proximal portion and the distal part is the acromial portion. In its origin, the scapular portion arises by a wide aponeurosis from the length of the scapular spine, while the acromial portion arises from the acromion of the scapula. The insertion of the muscle is that both the scapular part and the acromial part, they both insert on the humerus. They both insert on this is deltoid muscle. They insert on deltoid tuberosity from the name. Deltoideus muscle insertion is on deltoid tuberosity of the humerus, while the deltoideus muscle is innervated by axillary nerve. It is innervated by axillary nerve, and its main function is to flex the shoulder. Its main function is to flex the shoulder. Then after reflecting the deltoideus, we said we will see the infraspinatus muscle. The infraspinatus muscle lies in the infraspinous fossa. It originates from the infraspinous fossa and the scapular spine, and it inserts on the greater tubercle of the humerus. It inserts on the greater tubercle of the humerus. It is innervated by suprascapular nerve. That's the nerve that's also innervates the supraspinatus muscle. And its main function is to extend, flex, and abduct. It extend, it flex, and it abduct the shoulder, as in abnormality, abduct. It abducts the shoulder. And upon reflecting the infraspinous muscle, we now see the teres minor muscle. The teres minor muscle. It originates from the infraglenoid tubercle, distal to the half of the caudal border of the scapula, and it inserts on the teres minor tuberosity. It inserts on the teres minor tuberosity. The teres minor muscle is also innervated by axillary nerve. It is also innervated by axillary nerve, and its main function is to flex the shoulder. Its main function is to flex the shoulder. Its main function is to flex the shoulder. We are stopping here for the muscles of the scapula. Our next video will be muscle of the brachium and antebrachium. Try to like and subscribe in order to have access to the next videos that will be uploaded.